Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to download apps in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to download any app from your iPhone, you see an error which is unable to download. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. After that, you have to go back, open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just try to disconnect with that, then go back and go to data and time section, enable this toggle to set your data time automatically. Again, go back and go to software update and just make sure that you haven't any pending software update here. If you find any pending software update, just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back and go to screen time settings. Then go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here because sometimes it might be that your app store or your app installation, as you can see this app installation, it has been limited or has been stopped by these restrictions. So we just have to disable this toggle to disable all the restrictions and then go back and here go to apps section, go to app store, and here you just have to make sure that all the available or all the necessary settings are enabled. So go to app downloads and just select always allow from here. You can go back and enable these toggles also, or you can also try to recent identifiers, then go back and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and just make sure that you have almost 10 to 15 GB free with your iPhone storage. You can go back and try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press and release the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes really black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to your app store. And here just tap on the profile option at the top right. And here just try to sign out from your Apple ID. Not to do this, simply go to the end and here just tap on sign out option, then scroll up and here just look for the option of sign in. So you have to re-sign in, or you can also try to relaunch your app store, close it from your recent apps, then open your app store again, tap on the profile option again, then tap on sign in with Apple ID, then tap on continue here, and your Apple account will be signed in. So once you have re-signed in, it might fix your app store glitch. Or after doing this, you'll be able to download apps. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can go to settings again, go to general here, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings. So reset network settings prefers if there will be any network issue or any network setting issue with your iPhone, it will be fixed in this step. Or you can also try to reset all over your iPhone setting to fix if there will be any other setting issue. So I recommend you have to try to reset your network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select Reset Network Settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings if there will be any issue with your iPhone network. It will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. But after doing this, if you're still facing the same issues, you have to try to contact with the Apple support team to get official help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store. You can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here. Select more option, then select App Store and just wait for the loading. Then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get a real help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.